Two cheetahs who were flown in from Namibia and released in Kuno National Park made their first kill within 24 hours of being released into a large enclosure, DFO Prakash Kumar Verma told ANI. The details about the prey are yet to be known. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had introduced the cheetahs in India on his birthday this year on September 17th. The two cheetahs, healthy and adjusting well, were on Sunday released in the bigger enclosure after completing their mandatory quarantine. The release of the two cheetahs came after the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change received a no objection certificate from the Ministry of Animal Husbandry for quarantine clearance to be released in a big enclosure. As part of the efforts to revitalize and diversify the country's wildlife and habitat, they were being brought to India decades after their extinction. Cheetahs are said to be the fastest animal. It runs at the speed of 100 to 120 kilometers per hour. The habitat that has been selected in Kuno is very beautiful and ideal, where there is a large tract of grasslands, small hills and forests, and it is very much suitable for cheetahs. Heavy security arrangements in Kuno National Park to prevent poaching activities have been made.